If your Facebook page looks like a ghost town, you're missing out on cash. Let's fix that. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook to the Amazon affiliate program and start earning some income. Let's dive right in. First, sign up for the Amazon Associates program. If you haven't already, click the link and get started. It's quick and easy. Next, create a Facebook page if you don't have one. Choose a niche or interest that you're passionate about. This will be the hub for all your affiliate marketing efforts. Now head over to the Amazon Associates site and generate affiliate links for products you want to promote. Pick products that your audience will love. Share those links on Facebook. Post them with engaging images and descriptions to catch your audience's eye. Add your affiliate link to your Facebook page bio. It's a great way to keep it accessible for your audience. And don't forget to add a Shop Now button to your Facebook page. Link it to your Amazon affiliate page to direct your audience straight to your promoted products. Promote your page using Facebook ads, groups, and other tools. The more people see your content, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Always disclose that your posts contain affiliate links. This is required by Amazon and Facebook policies and builds trust with your audience. That's it. By following these steps, you can start earning income through the Amazon affiliate program by leveraging your Facebook page. Happy earning! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.